This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, it's Josh Hooper, Executive Director of PERC. I've gotten a couple calls, well, a call and an email. How about that? Asking about how to register for a PERC event. So let me step you through that. Go to our website, which is pagreencolleges.org. Once you get there, you go to the top right where this torso icon is, and it says login here, because you need to log in. So click that, then fill in your email and your password. If you don't have a password, you click forgot password and follow that process. Of course, if you forgot your password, do that as well. And then click log in. Okay, so we have logged in. Now go to PERC events and scroll down till you see the event you're looking for. If an event doesn't have a blue register button, like this event, for example, that means it's not open for registration yet. But let's click and register here for this Making It Work workshop. The first thing you'll see is to confirm your email. It should have gotten it directly from your profile if you're a member or a sponsor. Then it will come up. Everybody, whether you log in or not, you'll see the general registration. And if it's early in the registration period, it'll be early general registration. You also see invited guests. That's for organizations that we partner with. They get a registration code if they wish to attend. At the top, you'll see that there is the member, or in some cases, sponsor registration, and you just fill in that dot and then click next. Depending on what you have in your PERC profile, it'll fill in the data from your PERC profile, so it'll save you a lot of time if you keep your profile updated. Then you go through the questions about food preference, conference packet, and whether you want us to make a name badge. And then you have the option to add a guest. If you add a guest, they don't have to be in our database, but you need to pay for both yourself and as many guests as you register. Then you click next. Then you get a confirming screen. That's all exactly what I was expecting, so I'm going to hit Pay Online. When you get to the Pay Online screen, there is data that needs to be filled in. Since this is an actual live registration, I will not be putting in credit card information, but I'm assuming everyone has purchased something online. It's pretty much exactly the same. Put in your credit card, your billing information, your phone number, and then when you have that all filled out, you click pay $45. You'll get a confirming screen and a confirming email, and that's how you register for a PERC event. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you at a PERC event real soon.